Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Spocket and whether or not it automatically fulfills orders. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are wondering what Spocket is. Well, it's a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory yourself. You simply connect your Spocket account to your online store, and when a customer places an order, Spocket will automatically place the order with the supplier and have it shipped directly to your customer. So, does Spocket automatically fulfill orders? The answer is yes and no. Spocket will automatically place the order with the supplier, but it's up to the supplier to fulfill the order. This means that you'll need to make sure that you're working with suppliers who have a good track record of fulfilling orders on time and accurately. There are a few things to keep in mind when using Spocket. Shipping costs. Spocket will charge you for shipping, but you'll also need to factor in the shipping costs from the supplier to you. Processing time. It can take some time for suppliers to process and ship orders, so you'll need to factor this into your delivery times. Returns. If a customer returns an item, you'll need to return it to the supplier at your own expense. Overall, Spocket is a great platform for dropshipping, but it's important to be aware of the limitations before you start using it. So, there you have it. Spocket does automatically place orders with suppliers, but it's up to the supplier to fulfill the order. If you're looking for a platform that can help you automate your dropshipping business, Spocket is a good option. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to grow your online business.